In this video, in simple steps, in couple minutes, I'm going to share with you how to replace the engine air filter on Smart. This is a Mercedes-Benz Diesel 0.8 liters, beautiful engine. Let's get started. Okay, here's a replacement filter for the vehicle. This is 2006 Smart, made in France. Okay, let's open the engine compartment. It's on the back, and then you see the engine is under the floor. It's a 0.8 liter Mercedes-Benz Diesel, amazing on fuel. Okay, here's our air cleaner box. It's on the left hand side, and let's pop the 4 metal clips around the air filter box and take the cover off. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell, very appreciated that. And yeah, that's so simple to do. Thumbs up. And there is a filter. Okay, pull the retainer bracket up, and that way you will release the filter and it will come out. This is a man filter. Check your owner's manual how often to replace the filters. Here's a new one. Frame replacement part, place the new filter back, and yeah, depends from the conditions. All right, let's put that retainer bracket back, and that's in place. Check the fitment, make sure it's all aligned, won't have any gaps, all sealed. Yeah, put the cover back, and as I said, I usually replace the filters every 15-20,000 kilometers, depends from the driving conditions. If it's lots of dust, do it more often. Yeah, check the owner's manual. Guys, thank you so much for watching again. Appreciated your time. Subscribe to the channel, more interesting videos are coming up. And yeah, take care and bye bye.